Welcome back, dear students. In this SLT 2, the topics that are given are identified as learning topics are images and meta. Images and image and meta. Lecture your learning objectives. Designing a web page that includes images and information about the web page. Image tag HTML. As we are familiar with images role in web pages. Images play important role in web pages. The total look of web pages is improved using images. Images can be embedded inside an HTML document using image tag. How can we embed image in HTML document? To embed an HTML image in an HTML document, we take help of the image tag. So this image tag expects the source of the image that is to be included in the HTML document. Image tag is used to display image on the web page. Yes, definitely. The tag that is used to display images on web page is image tag. Image tag is an empty tag that contains attributes only. Closing tags are not used in HTML image element. Yeah. What is this? HTML tag is a displayed image on the web page. It's very clear. Image tag is an empty tag that contains attributes, comma, and only closing tags are not used. This is image tag, no closing tag. These are the attributes, source of the image, what is the border, what is the alternative text, what is the height, and what is the width that we will see in this class itself. Until then, you have to remember, image tag is an empty tag. There is no closing tag. And we can display images on the web page by using the image tag. So this is the syntax. Next one. Here. Attributes of image tag. Attributes of image tag. So what are the attributes that we have seen in a previous slide? Yes. Yeah, we'll see. First attribute is SRC attribute. SRC. This SRC and alternative are important attributes of HTML image tag. All attributes of HTML image tags are given below. Out of these, SRC and ALT are important attributes. Here, we discuss what is SRC attribute of image tag. Here, it is necessary to, it is a necessary attribute. SRC is a necessary attribute of image tag that tells the path of the image that is to be displayed on web page. It instructs the browser where to look for the image on the server or the location of the image. But sometimes the location may be on same directory or sometimes location may be on another server. Okay, whatever the image may be, whether it is local or it is a remote system, the path of the image should be given to the browser through SRC attribute of the image. Is it clear? Next, ALT attributes, I think. ALT attributes. What is this ALT attribute? Alternate. If the browser if we are unable to display the specified image on web page, what action should be taken? Here, the ALT attributes defines an alternate text for the image. If the image is not displayed, the value of the alt attributes is to be displayed. The value of the alt attributes describes the image in form of words. Okay, if the browser fails to display or if he fails to display image on the web page, the value of the alt attribute describes the image in the words. This is about the one more important attribute of HTML tag. Next one is width. It is an optional one which is used to specify the width to display an image. How much width is okay, and height. It specifies the height of the image. Meta tag. What is the meta tag? Metadata. Metadata in DBMS. Metadata means data about the data. Here, what is meta tag in HTML? What is meta tag? It specifies. Meta tag is used to represent the metadata about the HTML document. Metadata about the meta tag represents what? Metadata about the HTML document. Metadata means what? Page description, keywords, copyrights, language, and who is the author of the document, such that we are going to use metadata to display this information about the HTML document. The metadata does not display on the web page. So this is very important point. The metadata is not displayed on the web page, but it is used by search engines, browsers, and other web services which scan the site or web page to know about the web page. The meta tag is placed within the head tag, and it can be used more than one times in a document. So this is about our meta, what we will call meta tag. Metadata does not display it, and this is the point you have to remember. And this tag is used in header tag. Yeah, if you execute this HTML program, this is comment, this is open and close brace, very common in every HTML program. This is head part, this is body part. We are familiar with. There are two parts in HTML file and HTML program, head and body part. In head, here we have included meta tag in head part. Here, with this, what we are doing, what we are informing, UTF-8, the 8 UTF-8 code is used, and name is description, content is free web tutorial. Okay, like this, this is about the UTF-8, HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript. This information is metadata. Here, next, what is there in body part? All meta information goes in header section. This is only the line that is displayed after execution of this program. Next one, learning outcomes. Students can design a web page that includes image and information about that web page. Yeah. For that purpose, the students requires image tag information and meta tag information. It is very clear from the this self-learning topic. Questions. If the image can't be displayed, then dash specifies an alternative text for image. So if a browser is failed to display an image on the screen, then what is to be displayed? Alt, okay, text attribute, alt attributes, caption attributes, value attribute. If the image can't display it, then alt attribute specifies an alternative for image. Answer is B. Next, image tag has no end tag. True or false? No end tag. True. Next one is metadata stores information about the web page that is not necessarily visible to the end users. True or false? Answer is true. In which part of HTML metadata is contained? Definitely header tag. Any queries? Thank you.